Soccer DBB number 719, and that is 3-box break 2018-19 Topps Chrome Premier League. Good luck, guys. Here we go. 3-box break. Teams on the right. Good luck. Alright, first box. Do a lot. Let's see. We have gold Harry Maguire for Leicester to 50. That's Mario. We got new signing Jorginho for Chelsea. Refractor is Harry Kane. Ooh, we got a red coming. Nice. Jordan Knight. And there's an autograph to 50. Gold auto, guys. Gold auto to 50 and a red. Let's keep them for later, guys. Alright. Jimenez for Wolverhampton to 250. We got Salah. Silver. Refractor, sorry. Steve Mooney and to 250 Otamendi for Man City. We got Doucouré. We got Prism of Sesame. Oh no, that's not the Prism. That's a Prism. No, I thought it was a Prism refractor. What's so shiny? It wasn't. We got Fabinho. As always, I'm wrong on those. This is a refractor of Mesut Ozil. Eden Hazard. Pereira and refractor Chris Wood. Alright, let's start off with, is it the red? That's the red. Alright, let's start the autograph. Good luck, guys. 250 gold autograph going out to, nice, Antonio Rüdiger and Chelsea. Nice one there. Oh, I need some top loaders for Yuntao. Antonio Rüdiger to 50, and we got a red coming, number to 10. Oh, come on. Rüdiger to 50. Nice. Alright, and to 10. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Going out to. Wow. Really? Wow, how about Romelu Lukaku, number 3 out of 10 for Man United. I'll take Man U in every break so far, and now I do not have him and I get a red. Crazy. Congrats, James. Nice hit. Nice start here. go, box number 2, good luck. Ooh, we got orange. Raul Jimenez. Refractor is Harry Maguire. We got Steve Mooney. And, Callum Wilson autograph for Bournemouth. Justin. Callum Wilson. Nice. We have the 25 Chris Wood for Burnley. Fill a team here. And to 99 Jonas Lussell for Huddersfield. Refractors Blue Grease for Tottenham. We got Perez for Newcastle. We have Alisson for Liverpool. Anderson refractor into 250 Antonio Rudiger for Chelsea. We got Pickford. We have Otamendi refractor. Kasper Schmeichel refractor. We got Chicharito. Bissouma. We got refractor of Anthony Martial. And number to 25 or to 50, I'm not sure. That is Raul Jimenez, and that is number to 50 gold refractor. Wolverhampton. Alright, last box. Already. Alright, good luck. Last box. Let's see. Get something nice. I'm not sure. We have Hector Bellerin refractor. Dele Alli. Jorginho autograph for Chelsea. Out of nowhere. Wow, Chelsea having a really good break. Nice, 2 autographs for Chelsea. To 250 is Diogo Jota for Wolves. Perez to 75 for Newcastle. Refractors Perez. Lukaku. Richarlison. And the last stack. Come on, give us a nice colored one. Please. De Bruyne refractor. Maguire again to 150. Mesut. We have Patricio refractor. We got Bonatini refractor. Chris Wood insert. El Yunusi insert. Got Ericsson refractor. Danny Williams for Huddersfield to 250, and Yarmolenko to end this break. Sorry guys, not the best ones. The last box wasn't that good. So we got a gold Jimenez to 25 Wood and Callum Wilson autograph, plus Jorginho autograph for Chelsea, Rudiger autograph to 50 for Chelsea, and Romelu Lukaku number to 10 red insert. Congrats to Man U and Chelsea. That does it for the break, guys. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. I'm out. Peace.